Hello and welcome, my friends. Every weekend we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. We put a weekly video about Forex market, a monthly video about Bitcoin, and a monthly video about stock market. So if you are interested about all those things, you can join us and benefit from all those things free. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here. And if you are searching for a trading strategy that works, down in the first comment, as you see it now in the picture, you're going to find that 85% one of the best-selling courses in Udemy. The course is going to take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be a pro trader. It's going to teach you 3 money management strategies. It's going to teach you a proven trading strategy with the statistics and everything. And more than 3 hours live trading by that strategy. Yes, when you're going to go to that course, you're going to find it's for scalping. Yes, in that course, the live trading is for scalping, but the trading strategy, you can use it for scalping, for day trading, for swing trading, or even for long-term trading. You just need to change the time frame, because in that trading strategy, also use it in 5 minutes. You can change it if you want for swing trading to 1 hour. If you want for long-term trading to daily, and like that. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So before we even start every week, we go to my browser to analyzing the news that's coming this week. So let's go into my browser to see the news that's coming this week. As you see, my friend, here we are in my browser. So in Monday, we got, it doesn't have time, but it's going to come Bank of England monetary policy report. In Tuesday, we got at 1:30 the Aussie meeting. At 6 o'clock in the morning, we got unemployment rate. 9 o'clock, we got gross domestic product or GDP of the Eurozone. 12:30, we got retail sales of USA. At 5 o'clock, we got ECB President Lagarde speech, or by the way, all the times here, they are with GMT time, so you make it with your local time. At 6 o'clock, we got Fed Chair Powell speech. At 11:50, we got gross domestic of Japan. So be aware of all those news, my friend, because it's going to affect the market. In Wednesday, we got at 6 o'clock of the morning, Consumer Price Index of UK. In Thursday, we got at 1:30 employment change of the Aussie. And in Friday, we don't got nothing. No news, is only that one for China. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let's going back to my broker to show you more. So my friend, the first pair we got is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, if you remember last week, we used to be here in that place. We said it's going to make a correction, but our view is going to fall down. It doesn't make that big correction. It's only a small one. Go back and test where it used to be. Did it fall down till here? Now what our view for it this week? This week, my friend, our view to it is going to make a correction maybe till here because the coming news for the euro area. Then from here is going to fall down till here again. Because the US dollar is still very stronger, my friend. I think everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.07974. Another level here, 1.06639. Another level here, 1.05725. Another level here, 1.04585. The last level here, 1.03173, my friend. I think everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear. By the way, if you want our free daily signals, you can get it by joining our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel, you're going to find it in the first comment as you see it now in the picture, my friend. So, as you see, my friend, in the RSI, what we got here and here, we got a divergence in the 4-hour chart. That way also we believe in is going to go up till here, till the overbought area. Then from there it's going to fall down again. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Euro USD, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is the cable, my friend. And the cable, we used to be here last week. It doesn't move actually. It's still in his place because all the last week it used to be ranging. What our view to it this week, from that level here is going to go up till here. Then from there it's going to fall down, my friend. I think everything is too clear because the coming news about the British pound this week. But the US dollar is still very stronger, my friend. Levels we got, first level here, 1.29086. Another level here, 1.27430. Another level here, 1.26494. Another level here, 1.24759. Another level here, 1.22665. And the last level here, 1.19614. And that one is the yearly target, my friend. I think everything is too clear. If you don't understand something, write it down in a comment. And please support us, my friend. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, even here, we got a divergence, my friend. It's very clear. So our view from here, it will go upward till here, till the overbought area. Then from there, it's going to fall down. If you want us when exactly we enter, you can join us in Telegram where we give them free signals, my friends. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got is the Aussie, my friend. And the Aussie people, they follow me. Me enter from that level and we put stop loss here, but it fall down, it touch our stop loss, then it go up. Now we will enter again, target it still here as we said it before. Then from there it will fall down because the Aussie is going to fall down more than that, my friend. And even if you see here and you put like that, you see we got a trend line here. And even if you put like that, a channel, we got it like that. I think the picture is too clear. So it's going to make a correction maybe till that level here. Then it's going to fall down more than that, my friend. Levels we got. First level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. Another level here, 0.69129. Another level here, 0.68563. I think everything is too clear. And by the way, if you want our highly recommended course, you're going to find it in the first comment. So my friend, let me go and analyze for you the RSI. As you see here in the RSI, even here, we still have a divergence. And all the pairs they trading against the US dollar, we have in them a divergence like that. So my view to it, my friend, is going to make a correction till the overbought area. Then from there, it's going to fall down. So also we are going to wait now to enter short in it. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend. USD Japanese yen, last week we used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down till here. But it fall down just till here. Now it go out. My view to it is going to make upward, my friend, till It's going to break even that up here. I think everything is too clear. If you don't understand something, just write it in a comment and I will reply you as soon as possible. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 131.754. Another level here, 130.110. Another level here, 128.395. Another level here, 126.572. Think you get the picture, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you remember, last week used to be here, fall down tail here, but something very interesting here. If you see here what we got a trend line, touch it here, it touch it here. Maybe now when it touch here, it's going to go upward, it touch the trend line, then from there maybe it's going to make a correction to give us a divergence, then from there it's going to go upward. So be aware of that, my friend. So that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week used to be here. I told you it's going to fall down tail here. If you remember, we used to have a triangle here. And me personally, I enter from here and we put stop loss here. Then it fall down, it touch it here. It's okay. My view to it, maybe from that level where it is now, is going to go upward. Or maybe it's going to make a correction till here, till that level here. Then from there, it's going to go upward again, my friend. Everything is too clear. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. Another level here, 1820.25. Another level here, 1796.83. And the last level here, 1775.17. I think everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here, we got a divergence, my friend. Even in daily, there is a divergence. Even here, as you see it, my view to it is going to make a correction upward, my friend. If you see here down, it touch here. So now it needs to go upward. Here you take profit. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound Japanese Yen. That one we used to be here last week. I told you from here it's going to go upward, but it doesn't. It fell down till here. Because as you see it here, we got a head and shoulders here. As you see it, my friend. And the one, the neck is getting broke here. But market makers, they're always doing that. They go back upward till here to 18 stops. Then from there it will fall down. But my view to it, maybe from that level it's going to make a correction till here, or maybe till here. We don't know exactly till where. Then from there it's going to continue down. I think the picture is too clear, my friend. Levels we got. First level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. Another level here, 159.039. And that level here, 157.351. And that level here, 156.103. And that one here, 154.476. I think everything is too clear. If you don't understand something, as I tell it to you, write it down in a comment and we will reply you as soon as possible. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it touch here, then it go out. My view to it, It needs to go upward to touch here the overbought area. Then from there you enter short again, my friend. Take profit down here at the oversold area. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. If you don't understand something, just write it down and I will reply you. So that's it for this week, my friend. See you in the next week. Bye for now, my friend.